So let's take, for example, this truck here has number 2 nozzles in it. If I take my slide rule and I line up number 2 on 5 psi, it's going to tell me a minimum speed to obtain 5 psi at a 0.07 shot rate would be 650 feet per minute to get a good fan out of the spray bar. If I look at a number 1, the same scenario, say 15 pounds, at 6, it'll have 15 pounds of pressure at 700 feet per minute. If I take the number 2 up to 25 psi, which would be the most I want to have in the spray bar, right there, you see we're off the chart on truck speed. We're going to have to go 1,500, 1,600 feet per minute to get a good spray. Where I like to keep the pressure on the spray bar when I'm spraying is I like to keep it at around 12 psi. I like to write down my minimum speed, maximum speed, and stay within that till you get a good spray.